hi everyone. Today we are going to see simple assembly language program for the microprocessor 8085, and the question goes like: write an assembly language program to add two numbers stored in the memory location 4000 and 4001H and store the answer to the 3000H. So in the 4000 and 4001H, two data are stored. We are asked to write an assembly language program using which we can add these two numbers and store the answer in the 3000H. Now microprocessor cannot perform any operation in the memory directly. To perform addition, subtraction, or to perform any operation on the data, microprocessor first transfer the data into its internal registers. Okay, so let's write the first instruction. First of all, we will transfer the data from the 4000H to the register C. So for that we will use the instruction LDA 4000H. Now when we use the LDA 4000H, the data will be moved to which register? The accumulator. In the accumulator we will get the 39H. After that we will move this number to register C. So we will use the instruction MOV C, A. So in the C register 39H will be stored. After that we will move the next data to the accumulator. For that we will use the instruction LDA 4001H. When we use the LDA 4001H in the accumulator, the data will be overwritten, and in the accumulator we will get the next data, which is 63H. So in the accumulator, one data is present, in the register C, second data is present. So we will use the instruction add C. What is the meaning of add C? Add C means add the content of register C with accumulator, and answer will be stored in the accumulator. So when we perform the add C in the accumulator, we will get the answer. After that, we have to store the answer to which memory location? 3000H. So for that we will use the instruction STA 3000H. So whatever the answer that we have got in the accumulator will be stored to the 3000H, and at the end of the program we will use the output. Okay. Right now for this program we have assumed that the answer is 8-bit. Okay, answer does not exceed 8-bit, and this is it for this program. Now you have to write one program by yourself, that is write an assembly language program to subtract two numbers which is stored in the same memory location and store the answer in the same memory location, that is 3000H. This is it for this program. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and thank you so much.